Hi YouTubers, welcome to one of my videos. Got another project on and it's to do with these heart-shaped electronic boards. I've opened one up and I've got to make these heart-shaped lights for my motorhome. And yeah, it involves a bit of soldering, or I think the Chinese call it weldering or soldering, depends which part of the country you come from. And for low-cost kits I've got 2 blue and 2 red, or I think that's what I've got. I'm going to make these up and solder all these components in, so that'll be a bit of fun. Like all these kits, they don't come with a circuit diagram, and to be perfectly honest, you don't really need one to put one of these together, because there's certain components that can only go in one way, and the board is marked like that one there is that switch. It goes in there. Then there's the main semiconductor, which is this one, which goes in there. You can see by the shape and the markings. The variable resistor goes in there, just there, right up. The transistor goes in there. You can see the 3 holes that goes in. The capacitor, which goes in there, and the resistors are all colour coded. So if you know your resistance colour code, it's a matter of putting them in, and then you get a bag of the red LEDs that they can go in. Should be fairly straightforward. Just got to wait for my soldering iron to warm up, and away we go. It's not too bad to do really, because you can solder. The resistance values are marked on the board. There's 3 resistors the same value, so they're easy to identify because they were in a piece of card side by side, and the other values are fairly easy: 22 ohms, 100k, 47k and a 10k. They're easy. So I'll put them through the board like that, and I'm going to just solder the wires. But I'm not going to show you my soldering, because I'm sure you've seen somebody solder before. Apart from the LEDs, I've soldered in the components, and it's been fairly straightforward. And as I say, all I did was, some of the components will only go in one place on the boards, like the variable potentiometer, the electrolytic capacitor, the switch, the transistor, the integrated circuit. 3 resistors are the same value and it's marked on the board, and it's just a matter of putting the little LEDs into the relevant holes and putting it on a power supply and see if it works. Now all these LED diodes are the same, and on the body of them they've got a flat, and if you can see there's like a flat piece on the drawing, so these can only go in one way. So the flat on the body of the LED goes to the flat there on the drawing on the circuit board. Well, I've got most of the components on, starting on the LEDs, got these to fit, and then power supply wires, and then I'll be able to try it. If I've got a 3-volt battery, that's going to be a bit awkward. That's one of them built. I've got another 3 to do. These are actually £1.15, including postage from China, and they'll run from USB or 2 AA batteries. You can vary the speed, but it's not a flash rate, they call it a breathing rate. Put the light back on. I'll switch it off. And that's what it looks like. Small circuit board, soldering on the back. Yep. Very impressed with that for the money. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe and like.